Hi, this is Matt at Henderson's Lineup. We're eyeballing some Goodyear tires.
Tech Time Tuesday.
Tires that have a DOT code of 2025. These were just installed by another shop, and I was happened to look at the sidewall of these tires. And if you want to look right down here, down the tire, you see that bulge right in here? Yeah, more than likely what we have here is this bead was torn on installation. So we want to make sure that we always have a good look at the tires, even if they're installed new, because if you have a new tack or something like that, and if they don't push down on the sidewall really good and have it lubricated properly, they can definitely damage those sidewalls really easily.
Tech Time Tuesday.